In this video, we will discuss how to trade in stock exchange. The most common way of buying selling shares in stock market is via trading through exchange where buyers and sellers meet and decide on a trading price. To buy stocks, you will typically need the assistance of stock buyer since you cannot simply call up a stock exchange and ask to buy stock directly. When you use a stock broker, whether a human being or an online platform, you can choose the investment that you wish to buy or sell and how the trade should be handled. In this way, there are two broad categories of broker to choose from: a full service broker or an online discount broker. Below we discuss how you can use these options to trade stocks on your own. We will also talk about a third option, the stock, the direct stock purchase plan, DSPP, whereby investor can obtain shares directly from certain public companies. This lets you buy stocks online without a broker. However, this option is limited in this usefulness as you would have to maintain SPPs at every company that you own stock in rather than having your entire portfolio housed in single place. Moreover, many online brokers today offer commission free stock trading, often making this an easier and cost effective option. Here are some key takeaways. You can also buy stocks online without a broker through some companies' direct stock purchase, but this can be cumbersome. Today, many online offers commission-free trading along with free tools and screens, but making it easier than ever to trade stock your own. Where to buy stock? Most of the time, stocks are listed in trade on exchanges, licensed venues where buyer and seller meet, often with assistance of a broker or other intermediary. These intermediaries will be a member of the exchange and use their access to buy and sell shares on your behalf. Major exchanges in the United States include the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq Market.